How to build SEO links. Tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to build SEO links as a complete beginner. What are some platforms out there that help you with this, and how you can use the free platforms to build and improve SEO of your website or online store. So let's get started. First of all, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is one of the most important things when it comes to creating a website online or an online store. We have to work on SEO of our website, and that helps our website to rank higher in search results of Google. And when your website or store ranks higher, more clicks, they get more clicks, and of course, you will get more audience and visitors to your website and to your store. So that's the main basic to attract and to actually improve and grow our business. So how we can work on our SEO and build links. Why building links is important? Because links are one of the important factor in SEO. When people click on link, they are driven to your website or any other page of your website, and you get more traffic. This is a very engaging way to get more traffic to your website or online store that you are running. So today I will show you that what are some free tools in how to get started as a complete beginner. Now let's get into it. First of all, when it comes to building your SEO and your links, there are a lot of platforms out there. But the problem is they are very expensive and they charge a lot. Even the courses, a lot of different people who are into this niche charge a lot to build your links and to actually give you the tool where you will be working. But you don't have to worry about it because Google got it covered. You can actually access Google Analytics, which is an SEO tool and allows you to keep track of all the stats and analytics of your website. There's also a Google Search Console that helps you with the keywords. Now, what is a keyword? Well, as you can tell by the keyword, the word, it means there are some keywords in your title, in your text that you have on your website that help you with your SEO. And if you have those keywords in your title, then you will be able to rank higher. Now, I have few of the platforms for you. As I talked about Google Analytics, you can get started with Google Analytics for free, and you can create your account with just the account that you have on Google. Then we have RankMap. Now, why I am choosing RankMap? Because a lot of websites are created on WordPress. And WordPress has this tool which is known as RankMap. Let me actually show you my WordPress website. You can see this is my WordPress website and this is the main dashboard. And if I go to the plugins right here, I will be able to show you how we can add RankMap to our WordPress website. So you just go to plugins right here. You're going to go to add new. So here we can add any plugin. I'm going to search for RankMap. And you can see RankMap SEO, best SEO plugin for WordPress to increase your SEO traffic. RankMap is the best WordPress SEO plugin and has all of these different tools and packages for us. It will also allow us to build links. You can see it has more than 1 million active installation and is compatible with our version of WordPress. So I'm going to click on install now and then click on activate. So you can see right here, we have to just connect our RankMath account. So make sure that you go to rankmath.com and create an account for free. I'm going to simply log in with my Google account. So here we are. Click on activate now and RankMath will be added to your WordPress website. So you can see that we can measure and track keyword rankings to keep a pulse on our SEO success, running a detailed SEO analytics to identify issues based on 30 known factors, easy one-click imports for seamless migration from other SEO plugins, and then we have fully compatible with both WordPress. So these are the different features for RankMath right here. And it will allow me to create my own links as well. And when somebody will click on the link, they will be driven to another page of my website or directly to the website that I have on WordPress. So you can use rankmat.com if you are using WordPress, and it will be added to your WordPress website. Then we have another platform which is known as keywordhero.com. Keyword Hero is for those people who are not using WordPress but are looking for an SEO builder and a link builder for any website for free. So in order to get started, you will click on sign in with Google and you will be able to create an account on keywordhero.com. So this is where you will get, and we can also connect a domain to our keyword hero. Adding a domain is important because that's where our keyword research tool work, or our SEO tools actually get traffic from the domain. So you can click on add domain option given here and you will be able to select the domain and add it. If you do not have a domain, you can get one for free as well, and there are other platforms that give you domains with your website. So you can see right here we have different domains right here, and now what I can do is I can set up my own SEO emails, and I will be able to build links. So go ahead and check out keywordhero.com. Moving on, we have Data Studio in Google. Now, what is this? This is also an SEO tool that we get with Google. So datastudio.google.com allows you to create your own reports on your SEO on your search console. So if you have Google Analytics, that's what I wanted to show you. If you're working with Google Analytics and Search Console, then you should definitely check out Data Studio, because a lot of people don't know about Data Studio, that it exists, and it's a free platform by Google. So what we can do is we can create our reports for our SEO building, and this is an important part as well when it comes to working and building your SEO links, creating reports that we have an idea that how we are actually doing, and it helps us keep track of our conversion and more. So go ahead and check out all of these different platforms. This was a beginner tutorial for you guys to show you where to get started and what are the different platforms out there to build SEO links. So I have another platform for you guys when it comes to your link building. So you can go ahead and check out AHREFS.com, which is a SEO and link building platform. You can go ahead and sign up for this platform. There is a pricing plan for this, and you will have to get it in order to avail all of the features. When it comes to the different tools and features we will be getting on Ahrefs, we have dashboard and site explorer, keyword explorer, site audit, rank tracker, and content explorer. In dashboard, we will be able to get a high level view of all of our projects, and then we have site explorers, we have keyword explorer, like which allows us to find keyword ideas from our industry leading database. There is a site audit where you can automate a lot of your work. So it is one of the easier platform to use, and I think it will not be fair if I don't mention it, and we're talking about link building. So it has a pricing plan that you will have to buy, but it's a pretty good platform that you can check out, which is ahrefs.com. It will allow you to avail all of the features and tools that you are looking for to build SEO. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.